Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the world of mochi, a delicious Japanese treat that's sure to satisfy your sweet tooth. Mochi is a traditional Japanese rice cake made from glutinous rice. It's soft, chewy, and absolutely delicious. Making mochi at home is a fun and rewarding experience, and it's easier than you might think. To get started, you'll need some glutinous rice, a steamer, and a mochi maker. The mochi maker is a must-have tool for this recipe, as it's designed specifically for making mochi. Once you've got your ingredients and tools, it's time to get cooking. We'll walk you through the entire process, step by step, so you can enjoy your very own homemade mochi. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more delicious recipes and fun tutorials. Until next time, happy cooking!